Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you the best eSIM for Mexico with unlimited data. So before we get started, I would love to mention that click on the link in the description to check out eSIM and find the right eSIM plan for your trip. And at the end of the video, of course, I'm going to show you how to set up or install the eSIM profile on your phone, whether it's a iOS device or Android device. So the eSIM offers unlimited data eSIM plans for Mexico. Let's go and find out. So at first, just look for Mexico. Right? So this is the country. Go ahead and tap it. Right? So actually guys, with different duration depending on how long you're staying. So for example, eSIM currently offers multiple couple days, 1, 2, 3, 4 until a month. So it's a huge amount of days. So for example, you can go ahead and choose how many days you want to, or how many days you will stay on Mexico. So for the 20 days, we go with $75. Of course, you can choose the number of eSIMs just from here, and then just go with the checkout. Alright, so now guys, you will need to choose the payments method, go with pay, and follow the prompts. So now guys, I'm going to show you how to install the eSIM on your iPhone device. Going with the eSIM, of course. So actually guys, first you will need to go to the eSIM page and then just tap on install right here. Then go ahead with the eSIM plan. Go with done, and now guys, you all need to go with continue, and then go and turn two options. So you all need to turn on the line and the data roaming. And now guys, I have the second method, or a second method for you. So the second method is kind of the QR code. So you all need to go with your device settings, go with mobile data, then go with add the data plan, and now you all need to go with the use QR code. It's the second option right here, and then just scan the QR code, go with the same steps, enable or turn on the line and the data roaming. Right? Also guys, we have the Android methods, right? So actually guys, first you all need to go to the help center, go with the eSIM installation right here, then go with the install option, and now you all need to go with the settings. So you all need to activate the eSIM, eSIM and the SIM manager, and enable the data roaming, and even you all need to restart your phone if it's necessary or requested. And the second method is scanning the QR code. You all need to go to the connections on your device settings, go with the SIM card manager, go with add a mobile plan, and then just scan the QR code and enable the data roaming as well. And once again guys, don't forget to click the link in the description and choose the plan that best fits your trip. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching.